If you were searching for some AI tool that was easy to use, did not require any technical expertise, and could be used as a side hustle, this is exactly the video you would want to see today. Meet Nano Banana, Google's insane new image AI editor that has taken the internet community by an awe. And the best of all, it's completely free. In this video, I will show you a live demo, talk about what makes it so unique than other image generation tools out there, and show you 3 real-world ways to use it, whether you want to save hours, develop your content, or even turn it into a side hustle. To access the tool, first click on the link I have shared in the description below and log into Google AI Studio. You will be able to see Nano Banana icon here on the tool. This is the new Nano Banana tool. You can access it directly through the standard Studio AI prompt bar here and start working with it. Or you can also access it through Gemini 2.5, it's the same tool. Let's do a live demo of its capabilities. Let me ask it to generate an image of a banana wearing a costume. Click run and it has generated a clean professional image. See how real it looks, the finer details it has curated. Now let's compare it with ChatGPT. On giving exactly the same prompt, first it creates a cartoon-like image which is cute but nowhere close to the real-life experience we got from Nano Banana. So I revised the prompt and asked it to create something real, but even then its quality is nowhere close to match Nano Banana. And if you are thinking there are so many image generation tools out there, then hang on a minute. What makes Nano Banana so lethal is that it can also edit your existing images like no other tool in the market can. Take a look at this example. I uploaded an image of a couple and asked it to add background from another image. It did exactly that. Let me ask it to refine it further and just see this image now. It's very difficult to call out if these edits have been done by a professional photo editor using Photoshop or by just an AI tool. And this is exactly the first side hustle I would like to share with you today. That is, become a photo editor for pre-wedding photo shoots, baby shower shoots, and more such occasions. All you need is a decent phone with a good quality camera and let Nano Banana AI do the magic with it. Not only this, you can also create attractive YouTube thumbnails for YouTubers and get paid for it. Take a look at this example here, where I'm going to share a thumbnail of one of Mr. Beast's YouTube videos and make some edits to it. Let me ask Nano to replace Mr. Beast with Tony Stark dressed in an Iron Man suit. And oh my god, this is surreal. Just look at the perfection of the image it has created in seconds with just one simple prompt. With Nano Banana, you can literally create any thumbnail as far as your imagination goes for your own channel or even sell your services to other YouTubers. And why just YouTubers? You can even use Nano in the work of interior designing. Take a look at this third use case where we transformed an old room into a professionally designed room using a simple prompt on Nano AI by just sharing the details of our choice of wall colors and furniture. So if interior designing interests you, surely Nano AI can make it easier than ever before to explore it as a side hustle. If you found this video informative, please share it with others who you think will benefit from it.